Hello and welcome back. In the previous video, we learned about the hospitality operation cycles, how it's related to the guest arrival and then while they are at the property or after they visit the property. In this video, we will be learning about various operation and cost structure of the typical hotel. So the typical hotel has a has general management, and then after the general management, they are divided into various departments such as rooms division, which consists of front office, housekeeping, concierge, and other services. Then there is a food and beverage department, which consists of all-day dining restaurant, specialty restaurant, kitchens, and other administrative departments for marketing and other activities. Then there are other operating departments which consist of spa, laundry, transportation, gift shops, depending on your particular hotel. Then there are other administration departments which consist of finance and procurement, human resource, information technology, executive office. Sales and marketing division will consist of reservations, marketing, revenue management, and sales. Then there is a maintenance department which takes care of preventive maintenance of the property and then the repairs. So some hotels may have all of these, some hotels may have additional departments such as renting of offices and other departments such as sea sports, and depending on the location of the property, size of the property, some hotels have combined them, like there is no gift shop or the gift shop is part of front office, there is no spa or there is no laundry, or sometimes the executive finance and procurement is taking care of executive office. Some hotels may not have revenue management or separate reservations which may be outsourced, or it depends on the these operating departments, or the cost structure depends on the size of the property and is their individual requirements. But this is a very general structure of the hotels. So the hotel profit and loss and financial reports are also divided into each individual division, so that the individual performance of each division can be measured. Another example of a typical hotel structure can be looked at here, where you have a general manager which is governing the executive assistant manager, and then there are individual departments such as room division, personnel, HR, accounting, marketing, engineering, purchasing, food and beverage. So this is another type of example. In the previous example, we saw purchasing is part of accounting and finance. Some division can have it separately, there is no other departments like spa and other things are part of the rooms division, and some hotels may have more than in front office. They have like room service, they have bars, banquet. So it all depends on the individual particular organization or setup of the hotel. So in the next video, we will be learning about what is the accounting standards used for hospitality. So stay tuned. Thank you very much.